It's cooking Panda Express. Yeah. Let's put that on for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I'll show you around the room. So you come in through this door and you get greeted with this lovely, like, peak, like, dream-esque Americana room. Got loads of nice art everywhere, which is nice. These two are a little bit more abstract, but I still like them. But it's a little bit like a watch almost, or like a lighthouse or something. And then, yeah. So the thing about this hotel is that a lot of the furniture is quite old, as you might have guessed. I mean, it's kind of got like a classiness to it. I mean, I really like this TV case, but it's only got a DVD player. That's not a smart. It's not a smart TV, by the way. If you want to watch any kind of digital media on it, then you have to plug in like a Roku box or a PS5 or something. And then yeah, so this light doesn't work over here. This light does. This light does, and all the other lights do. I assume. I think. I don't know. I've tried all of them. Try most. And then of course you have the balcony. So you'll notice that from outside, it kind of looks a little bit green. And that's why. Well, that's because if you get outside, these are gold, which is pretty cool. It's quite bougie. Really great for taking selfies in as well. Because obviously it's gold, so it makes you look not quite as pale. If you're pale like me, that is an issue. And then you have Las Vegas. So that's obviously not too much going on over there. A little bit. But that's not the direction of the strip. You do have Westgate hotels. You might be able to see it just there in the distance. Just there, look. So apparently that's where Elvis performed and all that stuff, which is cool. It is a very long way down, so we're not going to look too much at that because otherwise I'll get a bit dizzy. But yeah, and over here is the strip. So if we look properly, you can see the replicas of New York over there. So you've got the New York buildings, and then Paris is somewhere in that direction. The Bellagio's over there as well. But yeah, you can't see too much. You can see the Cosmopolitan, you can see the Hilton. I would prefer to see the whole Eiffel Tower myself, but that's okay. And like I said, these gold things are really cool. That building over there, that's Tower... so I believe that's Tower 3. So the building that I'm in right now is an exact replica of that. So you can see like the balcony is the exact same. I assume the rooms are the exact same as well. So we're going to go back inside. So now you can see a bit more. It is like sort of green, which is just a sort of consequence of the gold playing. So yeah, you got a toilet here. I'm going to get back to that Panda Express in a minute because it's going to get cold. But toilet in here. You've got a dimmer switch for the toilet as well, which is quite cool. It's the bed unmade. You got some more windows here, which is cool, like full-length windows, so you can enjoy the view from your bed as well. I didn't record it this morning, but it's a really, really beautiful to see that the sun coming up over the mountains over there. You've also got a TV in this room on top of a desk, which is nice, and you can use a desk for work. So you've got a Bluetooth keyboard in there. This looks like it's supposed to go down. So it's like one of those sort of TVs where you can sort of press the button and it sort of folds away. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. I'm not too bothered, to be honest. I mean, it's nice if you want to be able to enjoy the view from in your bed, but I'm going to be leaving in a few hours anyway, so it's all good. And then you have the bathroom, which is one of the cool pieces. You've got like this big jacuzzi bath with the jets, obviously. I couldn't figure out how to drain the water yesterday, but yeah, you just sort of tap it and it twists. Shower, basic. You got the his and her sink. We got quite large his and her sink. So you got a his sink or her sink, another his sink, her sink, over there. I'm guessing that this is probably the Hearst sink because you've got this light up vanity mirror. Yeah, there you go. So you've got a light up vanity mirror there. You've also got a hairdryer in here and a little sort of nook for you to slide your chair under, I guess, if you're getting ready for it right now. So that's probably intended to be the girls' one because, you know, women take more time to get ready usually. And then this is probably the guys' one, just because there's this crazy like little 80s TV thing. It's really bad. Like this high pitched whirring when you turn it on, and obviously like you can tell. Look at those lines. It's still pretty cool though. I mean, it's weird, but it's awesome. So yeah, you get all the modern channels on that. Well, most of them. I mean, you get the cable channels that the hotel gets, but on a tiny little TV in the bathroom, which is cool. That would have been like mind blowing about 20 years ago. And then of course with the shower, you've got the not quite standard, but you got the sort of premium push button dispensers for the shampoo, conditioner and body wash, which is pretty cool. That's what I've always seen in films. And you got a toilet. So this toilet is actually separate from the bathroom. It hasn't got a lock on it or anything, but if, say for example, if your hubby, wife, whatever, is getting ready in here and you want to go to the toilet and not disturb them, then you can come in here and you can turn the light on. You can close this door, so the bathroom is separate from the toilet, which is cool. And of course, then if you've got an important business call, route the fucking call through to the bathroom itself, which is nice. And I didn't realise it had the buttons on the actual receiver as well. Like I picked this up earlier, I didn't even realise that. Cool. Yeah, so that's about it, to be fair. And I should probably eat my Panda Express, but you've got another cupboard in here. The cupboard lights on when you open the door, which is cool. There's a networking box. Hotel Laws of Nevada over there. That looks pretty interesting. I might read that a bit because I'm strange. There's the safe. I haven't actually had to use it because I never did. I don't know if you had that. And then another wardrobe in here again with the turn on lights. So yeah, that's about it. You've also got a mini Shaylong, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole room. So yeah, I've enjoyed it. This has been a good last night in Vegas. Oh, and I forgot the fucking kitchen. So you got this breakfast island. You got this sort of these bar chairs. So they're quite tall. And you can have mum making breakfast over here or dad, and the kids are just sitting there waiting to get fed. So yeah, fridge. So looks cool, but there's nothing in there. Not even a mini bar, which is a bit disappointing. I mean, I said to Jordan, my mate, last night. I was like, I would like a mini bar, just so I have the opportunity of using it, even if I'm not actually going to use it, because I probably wouldn't have used it because it's fucking expensive. But no, the only thing that this hotel room came with was water, which, you know, is good. So yeah, there you go. That's the signature MGM Grand hotel room. Bye-bye, Canadian Panda Express.